While in akinete formation, one cell become rounded, oval, or swelling take place. Its size become larger than the surrounding cells, and it become reddish brown color and oval. Then it under favor. In fact, this type of reproduction take place under unfavorable condition. After becoming reddish brown and round, it may separate from the parental body and then settle down and then emerge its hold fast, like after fragmentation, then elongate and change into the complete organism, that is Oedogonium. So either is fragmentation or akinete formation, both take place during unfavorable conditions, but fragmentation may take place due to breakage, due to man activity, due to ship or any other zooplanktons which come in its way. So both chances. Next mode of reproduction is asexual reproduction. Asexual name represent that no sexes are involved, so it will take place by the spores, and special type of spores, moving spores, are formed, so they are called zoospores. How they form, where they form. Here is a structure of Oedogonium. Caps. Here are present some cap cells. Here, these cap cells help in asexual reproduction. In fact, these cap cells, nucleus divide, and then it in cytoplasm aggregate, and then it change to zoospores. The cap cells elongated, and they change into zoosporangium. Sporangium, in fact, is a floating body which bears zoospore, and the cap cells are formed by the aggregation of cytoplasm and nucleus. Here you can see the mechanism of formation of asexual spores or zoospores. The nucleus of the zoospore can move toward one side, and the entire protoplasm then contract to surrounding it to form an overmass. This was a capsule. It elongated in size. Then nucleus come towards one side, and the cytoplasm aggregate around it. This cell act as zoosporangium, and what thing formed inside it is further dissociate. Cytoplasm dissociate, and they become into patches like this. They become into patches, and then it change into male gamete, male like gamete, not male gamete. We called it zoospore. Here flagella emerged. In fact, at this structure, this round structure, special type of cell you can see, I mentioned in dotted like area. These are called blepharoplasm granules. Here you can see blepharoplasm granules. They help in formation of flagella, because we read that they are zoospores, so they will move. They How they will move? They have flagella, and how flagella are formed? From the blepharoplast cell, which form at the anterior end of the spore. When zoospore form, zoosporangium become mature. Here, mucilage sheath is formed for its protection from hurdles or anything which harm it. It then separate from the parental body. Here you can see separated from the parental body. Then it invert its position. This was upper position, and this was lower position, but it invert. It will come towards down, and it will be to upward position. Here you can see like this. Then it will emerge its hold fast, and the upper cells will elongate. Then they will undergo successive division, transfer division, and then will change to complete Oedogonium like this. So it was asexual mode of reproduction.